Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody out there doing? Happy Friday. All right, all right, all right. We are back, guys. Pandora, the Postcard Diva here. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey, we made it. It's Friday, and I'm back, guys, with the Home Business Academy. All right, we've been talking about it and talking about it. I got started back with them, maybe a week ago. I was actually in the program in 2020, believe it or not. And think about that, 2020, and they're still here. I can't count how many programs that I was in, right? In 5 years, that's no longer here. And the Home Business Academy is still here, and they're bigger and better because they revamped the system, right? And that's why I'm back 5 years later. All right, so I know this thing is a good thing. All right, so I want to talk about today a program that they have in here, a product, because they have 4 products. Okay, this particular product it's going to give you a lot of value about financial literacy, okay? I think it's very important. The more we're educated, the more we know, the better we can be. So I want to talk about it, and then I want to talk about also with the program comes with an affiliate, okay, commission level, okay? So not only are you going to be getting educated, you're going to get educated, but you're going to be able to, if you share this with others, they go to your link and they decide they want to buy this product, you can earn commissions, okay? But before we get into that, let's talk about this disclaimer. All right, disclaimer, FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business, okay? We can't make any guarantees. But for the full earnings disclosure, you can visit income.thehba.net. If you want to earn higher, guys, that means you have to put the work in. It takes work, skill, and commitment to earn because this is an affiliate program, okay? There's no one-ups, pass-ups, spillovers, any of that. It's not network marketing. It's not MLM, okay? It's direct sales. So when someone signs up with you, you earn based on your efforts. But we can't guarantee what you're going to earn, all right? So we got that out the way. Now let's move right along. Oh, before we do that, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what else I've got going on how to earn online, go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out. All right, so let's go. It's Friday, and let's check it out. We're in Let's Go. This is one of their other products. Okay, I have it set up where this pops up. Let's Go pops up, the landing page when I come to the Home Business Academy dashboard. So it says here, it comes up with a quote. Success is having those closest to me love and respect me the most, by John Maxwell. All right. I've got some John Maxwell. I've got a book, matter of fact, from John Maxwell that I read. Been following him for some years. Great motivation. So anyway, this is the quote for today. All right, so let's get into it. Let's check this product out. So we're going to click Let's Go. All right, if you haven't checked that out, by the way, this little app is only $10 to help you with your daily routine. It's a personal development app. So it's one of the products you can get started for as low as $10. Links are in the description. But we're going to talk about this other one here today. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard of the members area, if you will. And we've got 4 products here. Let's Go, Funnel Builder Academy, Premium, and Financial Literacy Academy. This is the one we're going to touch on a little bit because I want to show you what it provides, this product, and then we'll talk about commissions. All right, so financial literacy. So this particular product here, right, if we click here, you see it shows everything in the back office here that you're going to get with it. They have this tool called Bank Beater Pro. We'll come back and talk about that another day. But look at Financial Literacy Academy. What's included with this thing? Essential financial knowledge. Okay, so it's going to give you a foundation All right, it's going to educate you on financial literacy that you see a lot of these programs or digital marketing programs don't even talk about this. They're showing you how to make money, but how do you keep the money and maximize your potential and save it, right? Now that you have it, how do you manage it, right? So that's basically what this is all about. All right, so let's take a look here. And I've done a review on this product. Okay, I'm gonna go check that out as well. But I'm just gonna run through it over here, right? So financial literacy, you're gonna find out about debt elimination 101, reducing taxes 101, and then have in here, they show you other ways that you can make money, gorilla money right here, and all the breakdown of different ways you can make money. Car flipping, real estate, house flipping, mobile home marketing, all of that is included in here. I just opened that tab up. Asset protection, stress-free, stress-free property, efficient property management. All right. Financial tools. They provide you different tools, guys. I mean, and that tool is that bank beater. How to reduce your debt. It's a calculator. Okay. So, welcome and big picture overview. And right here, you want to check this out. Once you log in, once you purchase this thing, you want to go here. So that's great, right? You get 50% off. Now, what happens is, if say you sign someone up, well, someone purchases the literacy program from you, and they do the same thing you did, the 50%, right? Then you would make $400 commissions, okay? If they purchase it for the half off, you make $400. If they purchase it after that introductory price of $1,000, right? You get 7 days to get it for 50% off. But if 7 days go by and the person decide, hey, I go ahead and pay for it for $1,000, then you make the $800. All right. So that's how the commission would work. 80%. Okay. That's it, guys. So wanted you guys to see this program. I really think is definitely worth you checking out. All right. You can go to the link in the description. You can check out. We've got 4 products. You can get started, right? And like I said, you can get premium 2 weeks for free. They're going to give you 2 weeks free of premium, which is the traffic and conversions. And then you have a whole week to take a look around. And if you decide you want the financial literacy, you can get it for half off. All right. So that's how you'll be able to make $800 commissions on the $1,000 retail, or half if you get it at the introductory promo deal. You make $400 commissions. All right. Financial literacy. I don't think it's talked about enough out here in this space, because we've got so many programs, so many digital marketing programs. It's all about how to earn, but how nobody's teaching you how to save and manage, right? So a great product, I think, to have in your arsenal, because it's a one-time purchase, by the way. These other 3 here, Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium, those 3 are monthly recurring. You're going to make residual income on those. So you're only going to purchase this one time for financial literacy. You own the product. All right. So you always have it in your arsenal as education that you can go and reference back to it. All right. But once you own it, you own it. And if folks sign up, you earn commissions on that. So that's a great way to get mid-ticket, all right, $400 commissions, or the $800 commissions, high ticket. All right. Financial Literacy Home Business Academy. Go check it out. You can get started, guys, for as low as $10. One of these products is $10. $10. I mean, you cannot beat that. All right. And remember this. Other thing I want to bring up. Every time a product is purchased, this is the other thing that I love about this program, this company, that a portion of that goes towards Feed My Starving Children. See right here at the bottom, they're tabulating this as the days go by every day, right? So this is up to date. So they want to thank you for your membership. Because of you, 398,423 days of meals have been provided to children in need through our partnership with Feed My Starving Children. Your support doesn't just change your life, it changes the lives around you. So just think about that when you purchase a product, even low as $10, a portion of that goes toward Feed My Starving Children. So you got a product, a program, a company that you can be proud of. To know you're contributing to that. All right. So go check it out. Link is in the description for all 4 products. Okay, because they can be sold a la carte. You know, you can buy one product or you can buy them all. Okay. So I've included all the links for all 4 products that you can check out. Or you can also go here to coffeeandcoins.info as well. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Happy Friday. Go out there and have an amazing day. And before you get out of here, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.